So Martin, in some sentences or summarized, why is it worth attending the workshop, and what can I expect?
Driftology as a workshop is an opportunity for people to learn about tools we need in order to surf the storms, the waves of life, the waves of business, acquire new perspectives, acquire new practices of how, in spite of the challenges we meet, we can still ride the storm. Driftology workshop is a 2.5 days learning event. In those 2.5 days, you will not only learn about new concepts and new practices of how to surf the tide of challenging moments such as the ones we are living in. You will also acquire the tools that will help you at individual and organizational level to truly help yourself and people around you to succeed in moments of disruption. This is what makes this workshop not only necessary for our time, but also essential for the future we face ahead.